um before you were just saving $50 a month, right? But it was at least a start. Now, like you doubled it, within 6 months, then you doubled it again, and now you're even higher, right? Because you're able to focus on it.
Yes.
So I'm super happy, that, I was able to help you, but, like I was obviously able to give you this knowledge, but, you had to do the work, right? You took action. So it does take that portion as well, right? Like I can give you as much knowledge, I can coach you as much, but you have to take the action. And I can see now you're taking ownership of your own life, right? Like you're taking and building what requires you to have freedom, what requires you to have be in rent free, and you know what that target is. So now you have more confidence in terms of taking more action. So if you need to move to a new city and save rent, now you're willing to do it. Before you weren't even thinking of moving, right?
Not
Before.
even, not even a, not even a thought, man. Not even a thought. You
Right.
and like,
So,
see, sorry to cut you off,
yeah,
and
go
then
for it, man.
like you were saying, like it gets you like it gets you your mind thinking, like like who would have thought, like now that I'm thinking back, it's like how did I live my life? Like how did I not see the fact that I'm paying like extra $400, and it's just like I could literally just move and then save this money. Like how much money would I could have saved over a year if I would have made the decision a year ago? Like that. I'm thinking about these things, and it's just like, how did I live my life? It's like, and I mean, and yeah, dude, it's so important. Like I said, the skill set that you learn is only it only works if you have the second part, which is the discipline and the actual work to do it. Because you can have all the skills in the world. Like I could be the best musician, I could be the best film writer, whatever. But if I'm just sitting here and just, saying I'm the best, whatever, and I'm actually going out and applying those skills and like making a change or whatever, it's, I'm just lost in the history. So, in this case, yeah, you learn the skills, there's a learning curve, and then you just staying consistent. And dude, it's like you spend about two couple months, which is the hard work, quote unquote hard work. Like looking back, it's just this muscle that you just got to build that's just weak. Like if you don't work hard your bicep muscles, you try and go lift 50 pounds and try to curl it, you have to work up to that. But, if you start working out, like 20 pounds is going to be really, really easy. This is the same thing. So at this point, I don't even feel like it's work. It's like I said, it's just automated. So, but yeah, you definitely got to be disciplined enough to, get that muscle. And then after that, it's just second nature.
Awesome, man. So, thank you for sharing your story. I'm glad that I was able to help you in the journey. I hope for you much more success. This is just the beginning for you, I know. And yeah, I'm glad that, I was able to help you, taking that initial step and, having the confidence in me, but actually, reading the knowledge in the book and actually going through and making a commitment to change your life. So once again, thank you for sharing all of that. And yeah, I'm just thankful that, this actually helped you.
And I need to be thanking you because it's like, man, it's just, this is such a necessary thing that people need to know. Like, this needs to be taught in schools. Like, this needs to be like a universal like law. Like, it's just money dictates our everyday lives. No matter how much you want to say it doesn't, it's just whatever. Like, you need money to survive in today's economy, in today's market world, whatever. And it doesn't have to be hard. It doesn't have to be like, you know, living paycheck to paycheck all the time. Because even if you are living paycheck to paycheck, this is something that you can, this is not something, this is something you need, because that is, the economy is affecting the people that are making less, and taxes and all the fees and everything. Actually, if you're poor, you end up spending more money. So if the more research you do, the more you start learning about money, and the more comfortable you get with talking about it, the more control you have over your life, and the more control you have over your future and where it's going to go. It's not just, it's very predictable. I'm going to do this. If I follow these steps and I follow on this path, I'm going to get there. So yeah, man, dude, thanks a lot for everything. I look forward to following this, and dude, next year, I'm telling you, to this time next year, I'm going to get that 100K.
Definitely, man. So yeah, I can't wait to, to talk to you again and ask you your progress. But it's about measuring every month, right? Like staying in the green is like being able to save money. Not saving money is being in the red. So I'm glad that you're still being able to focus on that. If you guys do want to grab a copy of the book, it is available on Amazon. Broke the Six Figure Secrets: How to Keep More Money Without Working an Additional Job or Working More Hours. So yeah, that's it for the episode, guys. You can reach out to me on Instagram, reach out to me on Facebook, and yeah, we'll help you as well. So Dimitri, thank you once again for sharing your story, where you were, where you've been, and where you're going. So I can't wait to talk to you next time and ask you, how you're doing.
Awesome, Bilal. Thanks again. Have a good one.
All right, guys. So that's the end of the episode. We're How to Keep More Money podcast, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one.